Hello everyone. I am Najma Rafiq from Pakistan, residing in Qatar. I am a housewife who loves cooking. Cooking has always been my favorite hobby, and my passion for cooking makes me try new and innovative recipes for my family. I make my own recipes and try them out for my family, and it always turns out to be yummy and delicious. I have been cooking since 27 years and can cook almost every dish. I mostly love cooking Chinese, Pakistani, Arabic, and Indian dishes. Since I got married, cooking has been my love and passion, and it has always been my dream to get a chance to show my cooking skills and become a chef. Thank you to Samsung Gulf for giving me this amazing opportunity, and I look forward to do my best and win this title and become Samsung's aspiring chef. Thank you and good luck to all the participants.